How to switch account on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone. Now you have to open the app and you can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. We are going to change it. At the bottom there are different options like home, friends, plus, inbox and the profile. At the last there is an option of profile. Just click on the profile option and at the top you can see your username. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Just click on it and you can switch account by clicking on the add account. You can add your username or email and click on login. In this way you can change or switch account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.